Checking your account balance on MyGuide 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance information. Step 1. Open the MyGuide app. Launch the MyGuide app on your device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for smooth access. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to log in. If you have forgotten your credentials, use the recovery options provided. Step 3. Navigate to the accounts section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. View your balance. Click on the account balance option. Your current balance will be displayed prominently on the screen. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, remember to log out of your account to protect your information. Look for the log out option in the menu. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on MyGuide 2026. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.